Hi, I'm Lena Shekhar, founder and CEO of YAGEN Robotics. So, YAGEN Robotics was started by 2020 when I was in my final year. The main motive of this company was to make robotic products in India, which is very affordable. So that's why I thought, okay, let's build our own set of products, which will also give a proper guideway kind of thing for students to explore robotics and learn very conveniently. So I came up with this YAGEN Robotics Lab with a lab which consists of products from robotics, IoT, 3D printing, and drones. And we have created a very unique set of curriculum for this. So we have products starting from 3rd standard till 12th standard, the school segment, and also for college students as well. So here we have few set of products. We have the next starting for students from 3rd grade. So it's a very unique product for ourselves where it comes along with a book, like a comic book, where the students read the book and also programs the robot, very funful way of learning robotics. Then you go to the Mark II robot where they learn the basics of robots, they start programming, they understand more about the mechanical aspect of it. And then they move on to Mark II, Mark III is for college students, and we have more products like IoT and projects with 3D printing as well. I was incubated with CIIC in the year 2021 when we applied for the Startup India seed funding. So we received the fund through Crescent, and the process is very seamless, and CIIC has been support since then, helping us and guiding us in a lot of different ways. Right now we have raised around 3.5 crore of funding and generated more than 3 crore of revenue so far. And also we have set up 30 plus labs across India in a couple of years, and we are the one of the company in India to full-fledgedly set up the robotics lab, like with the proper curriculum, proper lab setup across all these across 3 to 4 states. And we have also set up one lab in Africa. Right now we are also trying to expand in few other countries like Australia, US, Singapore as well. Myself and our team are really thankful for CIIC for providing all sort of support and being part of YAGEN as well. Thank you.